Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to add your Calendly link to your Squarespace website. If you want people to book a meeting, schedule a call, or choose a time to talk with you, then this is a great way to do. So if you are using Squarespace for your personal site, business page, or even a simple blog, and you also use Calendly, then connecting them together makes it easy for your visitors to schedule time with you. And don't worry, it's very easy to do. Oh, and before we begin, just make sure to check the description below for official link and the extra guide or anything updated later. So everything important is right there, you will find in the description. So first of thing, just go to Calendly, and if you don't have any account, just create an account and log into your account. If you don't have one, then just go ahead and make a free account. It will take just 1 minute. So once you are in, look at the dashboard of your Calendly page. You will see there is a option for create event. So if you want, then you can create this. So I already have created one for this tutorial purpose of the video. So in the event type section, you will find all the list of your event. So I have this only one, so I am using this one for this tutorial. So now what you have to do, just click on this copy link to copy the link of this event, and we will use this for Squarespace because people will click to this link to book a meeting with you. So now let's go to the Squarespace. Now here you have to be on this page. So if you want, you can use the link in the video description for Squarespace. And after that, just make sure that you are logged into your Squarespace account. Now from the home page, make sure you are selected your website, and from here just click on these pages, and from the list of pages choose one where you want to show the Calendly booking option. So you can add it to your contact page, home page, or even if you want, then you can create a new page also. So I'm just opening this contact page. Now just simply click on this edit button here. Now click on this add block or plus icon here. Now from the list, choose button or text, like it's depend on how you want to show your link. So if you select the button, you can type something like book a meeting, scheduling time, and then in the box just you can use that. So I'm just going to select this button. So this is the button, and just double click on this. Now you can change the button text. So I give the button name book meeting, and just click on this attach link, which link we copied from the calendly.com earlier. So just copy, go to the Squarespace, and now just paste the link here. So after that, just simply save this by clicking here. So if someone click on this booking meeting button, it will be redirected to your calendar or Calendly page, and from here people can see your schedule, people can book your meeting and can do all of the thing like what they can do in the normal Calendly link. So this is how basically you can add the Calendly link to your Squarespace. So if you found this video was helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.